This is the JOBY GorillaPod, and I absolutely love this, not only because it's a super flexible design for a tripod, but it's super sturdy and I can take it anywhere. I can use it straightened up, just like this. I can use it and grip it onto different things. My camera goes nicely. I can use my Canon, I can use my point and shoot, I can use an adapter for my cell phone. It's pretty much an all-inclusive sort of multi-use tripod, and you'll see here it's super flexible. So if you're looking for a tripod that does a lot of different things, like regularly stands up but also can go onto different surfaces, if you want to put it on the side of a desk, or if you want to put it on a lamp, or if you're even hiking or traveling or doing whatever, it's going to be great. It has the same features that any other tripod would have, but it has that flexibility of being able to just mold and shape itself to whatever you need. So check out the JOBY GorillaPod right here on Amazon. You won't regret it. It's a great purchase. Great for vlogging, great for just regular filming, point and shoot, live streaming, whatever you need. So JOBY GorillaPod right here on Amazon.